I don't like a lot of pressure in my kitchen, unless it looks like this. The Gourmia XpressPot pressure cooker. Now this is not your mother's pressure cooker. This is literally the most innovative and safest pressure cooker ever made. From the patented Smart Seal lid lock system to the large LCD command center. You just set it and forget it. You won't believe the range of cuisine you can create. Our 14-in-1 cooker makes soups, stews, meats, pasta, beans, even yogurt. I'm a Southern girl, so I love ribs. Our Pressure Perfect system automatically maintains optimal pressure and temperature to cook each kind of food evenly and quickly. Families come in different sizes, and so does the XpressPot. 6-quart and extra large 8-quart for extra large crews like mine. Barbecued ribs, Southern style. Funny how the XpressPot pressure cooker takes the pressure out of cooking.